You can do it!
Howdy! How y'all doing? This is Trevor Colburn. Hope you guys are having a wonderful day. Now we are at Anakeesta today. That's in Gatlinburg, Tennessee. And we're really having a fun activity. So come on, join us. God, like a little baby. Made it. If you notice here, the stoplights are numbered. So when they say stoplight number 3 for parking, they just mean stoplight number 3. That kind of confused us. And there's one good parking. It's an $8 a day parking. And the other $8 a day parking is over here behind the aquarium. And it is also public parking. And it's $8 a day. If you want free parking, you park out of town and take the bus in. Or what they call the trolley. So go here at stoplight number 5. Turn up and go behind the aquarium. And then you can park for $8 a day. Right across from the aquarium, right behind us here, is Anakeesta. Great place to park. Stoplight number 5.
Got it.
Yay! $8 a parking all day long.
Beginning, right? So you do this stuff and then you take that to go back.
You should do that. Well, you want to finish with the village on your way out.
We just had to go around the aquarium. Oh, it'd be fun to visit. Across the street by zigzagging through those traffic lights, and right to the entrance to Anakeesta. Picking up a map, and we're ready to go. Up, up, up!
We're excited.
Anakeesta time! So we're up on our way. We're gonna hit a chairlift, go up onto Anakeesta. Sounds like a fun activity. Now just wait in line. For those that are a little scared of those heights and riding that chairlift up, we can take a bus, or maybe this is a big truck, right to the top. Matter of fact, we saw them pass us, and I think they beat us to the top. Okay, here we go up.
Oh.
Nice nippy day. Feels about 45, but I know it's warmer than that. Probably 50. Going up to the Anakeesta to do some rope courses. See some of these houses, see over Gatlinburg. Just enjoy ourselves here. Let's see what we got. The problem with this, I don't have my skis on, and there's no snow. Growing up in Colorado, you know, I had season passes to a lot of ski resorts. I skied a lot. No good at it. And I sure crashed a lot. But hey, I know how to ride a chairlift. Oh, the truck's beating us, running up the road. They're going to beat us to the top.
Just like I saw the porcupine, I just saw something move. Then had to figure out what it was.
Just looking for some wild animals here. Don't see a whole lot.
Saw a bird.
Saw a bird. No bears.
Did I see Bigfoot?
Do you? Oh, there he is. Catch him. Oh, right behind the trees.
Man, he moves fast.
There he is.
The Sasquatch was elusive. We did see some wildlife, I think. And now the elusive Doppler effect.
So these trees, Dad, were all burnt down in the fire.
Oh man, got close.
No, it went right over the property.
They hadn't built anything up there yet. They were lucky. They hadn't built anything yet. Other properties not so lucky.
Gatlinburg and Sevier County burned the night of November 28th, 2016. Extraordinary dry condition combined with a windstorm with hurricane-like power and a problematic fire. It was a hell on earth, destroying one of the prettiest places here in the United States.
Right there.
Photo booth.
There is a photo booth. Just-
Exit road.
Coming in for a landing.
There you go. There you walk.
Run, run. We made it. Yay!
At the top, you can relax at the fire pit at Firefly Village and discover the quaint shopping, sweet treats, and slow smoked southern barbecue, which we are looking forward to. Yes, we need to take in the beauty. This is a wonderful place to take some photos. Look around you and you'll find a spot for a photo in every little corner. This is, again, like I mentioned before, one of the prettiest places here in Gatlinburg and the United States. Looking for places to eat at Firefly Village? This is one of your options. This is the dining patio for the Clifftop Bar and Grill. As you walk along and leave Firefly Village, you can stroll through this whimsical mountaintop theme park built in the heart of the Smokies. I really enjoyed the artwork. My daughters took a lot of pictures. And the garden, well, that's what you go for, is to see these beautiful gardens. Passing by Black Bear Village and those beautiful, beautiful artwork, we ended up at the Forest Adventure. There you can do some gem mining for a cost, and we really enjoyed the Treehouse Village Adventure. Now this was fun for adults, but made for kids. We highly enjoyed playing around and, well, crawling around, even at our age. We must be kids at heart.
Hey, kind of wiggle. Wiggle. Uh-oh, what's this one? Through the ring of death. You're not doing that one?
Hi. Hi, Mama.
What? You're way up there.
I'm in here.
Holy smokes. Got the rope here. Steph, we're gonna tight rope it.
There's so much to do. Tight ropes, ring of death,
Oh.
wiggly boards. What else can you expect?
Oh, slayed an egg. I'm heard a nest.
If you have acrophobia, the fear of heights, this may be not the place you want to go, unless you want to challenge your fears.
Mom, steady.
Tearing. Oh, uh-oh. This was kind of hard.
Explore,
Oh.
challenge yourself. Look at all the little crannies and places that this little village has. It's fun just to have fun. And now it's time to leave that Treehouse Village adventure. We got our money's worth there. And it's time to head over maybe to the Bear Adventure, head over to the Vista Garden. Take them in and listen to that tranquil experience. Gnomes are known as symbols of good luck, and certainly we have good luck today and great weather. Originally, gnomes were thought to provide protection, especially of buried treasure and minerals in the ground. So look around, do you see any gold? They are still used today to watch over crops and livestock, and often tucked into rafters of barns, or placed in this case, in the garden. Looking around Vista Gardens, there's a giant tower, and it's called the Anta Vista Tower. As you're climbing up the stairs, you look down to the Anakeesta Plaza. This tower is 60 foot high and built in 2020. It has a 360-degree panoramic view of the Great Smoky Mountains, and it's a great place to look down at Gatlinburg. At 1,947 feet above sea level, it is Gatlinburg's highest point. In this 360-degree panoramic view, you can see Kleeman's Dome. It is at 6,643 feet above sea level, and it is the highest point in the Great Smoky Mountain National Park. We did a great hike there. Watch that video. The intertwining of the artwork and these sky bridges. It is a day to explore.
Shakes. Wait till we do the rope trail.
Just a fun little story here. There's a young boy that absolutely loves this particular sky bridge and this piece of artwork. When the parents tried to take him away from this, oh, there was some drama. He was excited to be exploring.
One thing, there's a lot of stairs. Stairs and stairs and stairs. No strollers allowed. Now, it would be fun if they did allow strollers. Boop, 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 boop. Down it goes. There it goes.
Off back to the Forest Adventure. Below the Treehouse Village, we headed down to the Treetop Skywalk. Now, when I talk about acrophobia, yes, this is where it could kick in. But I can tell you, doing this walk, it felt completely safe. This is a chance to stop, look around, and enjoy the Great Smoky Mountains.
Oh.
Good place.
Doing this treetop skywalk, take a second and look down. You will realize why they call it Top of the Trees.
Top of the trees. Top of the trees. So what are we looking at?
You know the trees that we saw coming up that had little flowers like that one?
Yeah.
It's a tulip poplar.
Tulip poplar.
They got these
Whoa.
little flowers that grow like,
Yeah, that's pretty pretty.
can't see them so well from here, but from the sky you can see the little from the sky.
Now we have to walk this one. I don't know how we're going to do it, but to walk that line all the way to that tree right there. Nah. Squirrels! Squirrels!
There's like 4 of them.
That's a funny name for a cookie.
They literally came out of that hole.
Came out of that
Squirrel?
hole.
That's a terrible name for this new cookie of yours, Bessie. Squirrel.
You got the shaking? Oh, there goes the zip line. Oh, that'd be cool. Oh, she's shaking it on purpose. She's shaking it on purpose. It's bouncing way too much. It says 1 person per line. We got like 8 of us on here.
It says max of 8.
Oh. There we go.
Zipping on 1, 2, guide on 1. You ever done this before? Nope.
Soaring from the trees from Anakeesta dueling zipline adventure, you can enjoy beautiful views of the Smoky while zipping side by side with your family and friends. There is a cost. $84 for adults, $75 for seniors, and $71 for children.
Your knees up kind of the entire ride, but your feet tucked under. Okay. All right, on 3. 1, 2, and 3. Zip on.
The guides there at Anakeesta will take you on an experience you never will forget. Reservations are not required, but are strongly encouraged as tours sell out quickly. There's also a rail runner. It's the only single rail coaster in the United States We were planning to do that, but it was closed this day. When you get done with the trip on the treetop skywalk, you end up in the Firefly Village. And the Firefly Village has a lot of fun things to do there. But one of the fun things is to do some shopping. You can go to the Great Outdoor Trading Company, the Adventure Outpost, the Catching Firefly, and the Mercantile. And as you notice here, the t-shirts are aplenty, and they're about $25 a piece.
Gonna ride the gondola.
I think they call it a Chondola.
We're going to ride the Chondola.
Chondola.
The Chondola.
Chondola.
Why that's called a Chondola?
Why is it called Chondola?
Chair and a gondola that's combined.
Ah,
Why it's called a gondola.
the Chondola.
Okay.
Here we go.
Chair and a gondola.
Chair and a gondola. Chondola.
Say it like 6 more times.
It's Chondola. 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 Chondola? That's 6?
Yeah.
You're always a little worried.
Yeah. You always want to say what if, and then you're like, don't think about that.
Heading down. Time to go off to Lexington.
The current world population stems
Go
entirely
feed
from
some
that
animals.
Except for the historic one.
This really has been a great family activity. Certainly worth our time and money. I'd go back there in a heartbeat. I really enjoyed it. Now, if you like these type of videos, do me a favor. Subscribe. Give me a thumbs up. And certainly hit that notification bell and you'll be notified that I have another video out. So thank you for joining us. I really appreciate it. This is the Travel Comber signing off.